in your early stages of career, please don't get into the idea that numbers don't matter. I think that is a big sham where you become either complacent or become too content or become too satisfactory.
All right. So, being in the influencer world, you must have seen a lot of people going through mental health issues, even though they're very, very successful. Like, मतलब वो बार ऊपर हो ही जाता है, 1 million आ गया तो 10 million का बाएगा वाला जो सीन चलता है. So, have you seen any,
Agreed.
have you seen any close hand health issues, and
Man,
how,
yeah,
like,
like all the time. Like so many creators are in the rut of like everyone tries to say that they're out of the 9 to 5 rat race, but they're just all running a different rat race. And I
yeah,
mean, till the time you are going to choose your happiness with numbers, right? That will never stop happening, and I don't blame any one of them, right? That's in your early stages of career, please don't get into the idea that numbers don't matter. I think that is a big sham where you become either complacent or become too content or become too satisfactory. I ideally feel that when you are in your early stages of your career, really run for life to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Or if you are really someone who likes to adopt monkhood, who's okay with living on bare necessities, please, then that's a different
got it.
conversation altogether.
Yeah,
But we all like good cars, we all like big fancy houses, we all
100%.
like to travel a lot, we all like to
Yeah.
have fun with friends, we all like to visit good hotels and restaurants, and boss, all of that costs money. And if you will not you know really work towards it, your personal finances will be wrecked. So please don't get into the idea of, oh, numbers don't matter to me. Yes, they do matter. That's because that's how the standard is, right? Like the
Yeah.
brands are going to pay you basis the engagement and the followers and all of that you have, right?
Yeah.
Unless you are in such a category, there is no competition at all. Then that's a different case. Then even if you are say at a 50,000 followers, maybe the brand will pay you what you ask for. But that's very rare cases. So you do have to be cautious about the
Got it.
numbers, but you don't have to be too affected by it. Like, and this is something I personally like to practice as well. Just practice emotional detachment from work as much as possible. Sure, having ambition is very important, but just being cribby and whiny about things that अरे
Yeah.
मेरे क्यों 100K नहीं हो रहे, मेरे क्यों 1 million नहीं हो रहे, होंगे यार, give it time. Just
Got it.
like don't focus on the result, right? Like what's the vibe, what's the journey towards it. You creating good content and keep doing that. When that happens, eventually you will find your audience. Or if you're not, maybe you're doing something wrong and just tweak that.
Yeah.
But just
Yeah.
cribbing about why am I not getting followers and why is
Take
this
action.
person who is creating terrible content getting followers, like you don't know what works for the masses, man. You don't know
Got it.
what works for their audience. So don't be too affected by that, but be cautious of your numbers. And
Makes
yes,
sense.
there are definitely a lot of mental health issues, um, because hey, I mean, trust me on this, that I have not been active, or I have not actively received hate on any platform, but I know that if I am on some podcast, or if I am putting out some content or some tweet which is a little controversial,
Yeah.
and I get some objection or some hate towards it, my personal strategy is to just not look at the comments again on that post, because I also feel that the memories of the audiences are that of a goldfish in many
Yeah.
cases,
Yeah.
and you should not take it too seriously always,
Yeah. Yeah.
because they switch a lot. They switch a lot, and I'm not talking about your most loyal followers. I'm talking about the janta that's just surfing through the internet,
Correct.
who are watching 50 videos on YouTube a day, and one of the videos they just didn't mildly like, they'll post like a ruthless hate comment. That will not do anything to their lives. They'll just move on and just think like, हाँ whatever, मैं चने खाता हूँ, आज मजे का टाइम है, आज वीकेंड है, fuck it.
Yeah.
um, but it will wreck you as the creator, because it's that theory of negative bias. You always put
I
too
know,
much stress on what's negative about you,
100%.
and then you really are in pain about it. So stop doing that. And it's easier said than done. I agree 100% about that. But just don't go back to that post. Just ignore that.
Takes time, yeah.
Um,
To
yeah,
have a
it
thick
takes time, and this is by no chance any therapy that I'm giving. This is just what I feel that these could be tiny solutions to working towards it, and how you could
Yeah.
tackle problems with online hate and trolling and all of that.
All right.
So yeah, there are definitely a lot of mental health issues, and I've seen them very closely.
Got it.